Hi kids, how are you doing today? I'm super excited because I'm taking a stroll into this beautiful mountain. You know what? This place used to be my playground when I was little. Yes, I came here very often. I played the ball with my brother, I wrote stories on the grass and drew things I saw. Yes, oops! Did you notice something? Aha! Those sentences are in the past. Can you see the verbs? Some of them have special ending. Yes, the ed ending. And that's what I'm going to teach you today. The past simple. Let's dive in. The past simple helps us talk about the things that happened in the past. Totally completed actions, facts or habits, okay, that we used to do. Now, when we use the regular verbs, we simply add the suffix ed to the base form, like walk, play, talk, or travel. Can you see? Just like that. Yes, now we put the ed and they sound like this. Walked, played, talked, and traveled, right? But if the verbs are the regular ones, the special ones, okay? In here, we just need to memorize. The past form changes a lot, like have, eat, do, or see. Here, the suffix ed does not work, and we just need to memorize the new forms, like had, ate, did, or saw. Yes, challenging, right? Now it's time to play! And yes, here we have our beautiful past simple cloud. Can you see the tubes? One is for the present verbs and the other one is for the past verbs. So get ready to see what does it make. Ah, here we have the first verb. I love it. And it's bringing us the first challenge. Here we have it. Today I walked to school. Okay, and it came inside the cloud. All right, magic is happening right now. And here it is. The sentence came out in a past form. Yesterday I walked to school. Not today, but yesterday. Now let's go for another challenge. What a beautiful verb this time. I love it. And the sentence is, today I talk with my teacher. Today, blah, blah, blah. I talk with my teacher. Let's put it inside. Oh, wow. The cloud is swirling around. And okay, here it is. Let's read it. Yesterday with my teacher? Oh, oops. I think the verb got stuck inside. How can we take it out? Maybe with a gentle tap, but with what? Oh, wow. Look at that hammer. Okay. Come on. Tap. Yes. And here we have the verb. Talked is outside. Great. Let's go for another sentence. What an amazing phoenix bird. I love it. Today I eat pizza. Today. Get inside the cloud. Swirling and swirling and swirling. And the sentence. Yesterday again. Yes, the verb is missing. So maybe we try to tap with the hammer. No, it's not working this time. I have an idea. Phoenix, get in the cloud and fix it. Yes, there he goes. And great! Here we have the verb ate. Yesterday I ate pizza, not eat. Okay, wow! I really like playing with you guys.
Compra nuestros cuadernos y aprende desde donde quieras. Tienes un método súper intuitivo y fácil público en nuestra web. Solo tienes que seguir el orden de las imágenes, ver nuestros vídeos donde jugamos con gramática y sobre todo hacer las actividades con nuestro equipo. De esta manera, tus hijos nunca más harán los deberes solo y sobre todo aseguras que aprenden gramática de una manera natural, la mejor manera de practicar inglés desde casa.
Hello kiddos, are you ready to work today with us? Today's worksheet is the first one about the past simple tense. But what is the past simple? The past simple is the form we use to talk about completed actions in the past, as well as past habits, facts, or frequent situations. Example, yesterday I played with my friends. And in here, we can already see something. Play has a suffix ed, okay? Yesterday I played with my friends. So, what about the form? For regular verbs, a lot of verbs such as walk, talk, travel, practice, brush, and come, we need to add the suffix ed. So, this is how they look like. Walk in the past simple looks like walked. Talk, talked. Travel, traveled. Practice, practiced. Brush, brushed. Come, combed. See that it's like adding a T at the end. It doesn't sound walked. No, it sounds walked. Walked. Okay, it's like a T, yes? But we write ed. For irregular verbs, it's super different. We just need to remember that there are exceptions we need to memorize, such as wake up, it's not waked up, it's woke up. Do is did. Have is had. Get is got. Take is took. Eat is ate. So let's do the first activity and find how many verbs from above can you find in this crossword. Let's do start. I'm going to use this beautiful marker and oops, walked already on the top. So I'm just going, walked is here, yes? Let me just also use the pink one and I have 8. 8 is here. Well done. What else? And if you want, you can cross it. Walked is here. 8 is here. What else? What else? Oops, talked. Talked is here. Talked. Let's find troubled. Troubled. Let's see if we have it. T, no, T, troubled, T, no, troubled, T, no, T, oh, here it looked like, but not. No, troubled is not here. Is practice here? Practice, P. Hey, I found come. Ah, no, it's come. We need a D. Oh, so not come. Not in the past. All right, let me just take this one. Hey, 8 is again. There are 2 8s. All right. I guess that's a mistake maybe. Did. Did is here. Did is here. So, did is here. Well done. Let's see. Hey, brushed. I found it. Brushed. Yes, brushed is here. Well done. What else? What else? Do we find any other? I don't know. Okay, so we need to brushed is just like that. Okay. What about hat? Ah, yes. I found hat. Here. And got. I'm pretty sure you already found it. Got. And what about took? Do we have took? Hey! Yay! Look at practice. P-R-A-C. Prac. It's here. Practiced. All right. Well done. Okay. Brush is here in the present, but we just need to find the past tenses. What else? Took. Do we have took somewhere here? I don't think so. Did. Hey, there is another did. There is one more did here. Okay. And walk, no. And to, no. I think it's fine, people. I think we found all verbs in past tense in here. So we found 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. Okay, we found 8 verbs. Well done, guys. Goodbye.